Taxpayers often get liens and levies confused with each other. Today, I'm going to talk with you about the difference between liens and levies. Hi, I'm John DeLucci, an enrolled agent and certified tax resolution specialist, and what I do is help people resolve problems with the IRS. Well, let's start off first with the liens. A lien is a public notice recorded at the county that tells the world that you owe money to the IRS. Its filing legally establishes that the IRS must be paid before almost any other subsequent lien holder and also before almost all non-lien. It applies to all types of property and rights to property. Typically, it only gets enforced against real estate transactions because those require an extensive lien search before the transaction can be finalized. However, if the IRS has a lien filed and a subsequent lien holder or a non-lien holder gets paid, the IRS does have the right to file a lawsuit and get the money back. Nevertheless, a tax lien does not immediately take property from the taxpayer. However, a levy is an actual seizure of an asset. The IRS needs to issue several notices before it is legally allowed to take anything, but once it does issue all of those notices, then it can. The notice of concern, most concern, is what's called the final notice of intent to levy. Unless a taxpayer takes action to try to resolve the situation, 30 days after the date on the final notice of intent to levy, the IRS is allowed to legally seize any type of asset. There's no type of asset that the IRS is legally prohibited from taking. Some examples are money in a bank account, investment or retirement accounts, cars, homes, accounts receivable, factory machines, patents, copyrights, etc. That is why it is best to negotiate a resolution with the IRS before the possibility of an asset seizure exists. If a taxpayer does not work out some type of resolution with the IRS will start taking things. One of the worst parts of letting the situation get to asset seizures is that the IRS will sell those assets at a fire sale. So the taxpayer will only get 50% of the value that he would have been able to get if he had sold the asset himself and given the money to the IRS. Well, hopefully this video has made you feel comfortable with the differences between liens and levies. If you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to work with us, click on the link in the description.